everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm doing my project pan update a little early this month. I won't be able to do another video for a few days. I'm going to be busy, but I just thought I would go ahead and show you my progress, and I'm so excited. Next month is the end of my project pan. It's been quite a while and my basket is so full. So excited to show you guys everything I've used up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing if you like project pans. And without any more further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I think right now I'll just go ahead and tell you what I'm using right now, and then I'll show you what I plan on bringing in, and then lastly I'll do my empties. So I'm just going to go ahead with this. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm still trying to use this. I really like it, but I have used a lot. I'm right here. I think last month I was around right here. Somewhere in there. I've used quite a bit. I haven't marked it, but I mean there's like a little line where I can still, if you can see it real close, where it almost like just stayed there. But so I don't know if that's why that's like that, but I think that's where I was last month. And I use this every day. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer in Nude. And I don't have too much of this left, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be getting used up very soon. So now I'll go ahead and tell you what I'm using for my foundation. I am using this Nudestix. This is the Tinted Cover Foundation, and this is the second one that I have. And I'll just tell you, I used one up this month, so this is my second one, but I'll show you that. To use this up, this is the Born This Way from Too Faced Ethereal Light Illuminating Smoothing Concealer. So I scraped this all out, and I have it in this little container here. And I'm almost there, I want to say. So I think by the middle of this coming month, this will be used up, which is exciting. So the next thing I'm using right now is this here. This is the Physicians Formula Rose All Day. And I will say I did use this here. This is like a setting. It holds your makeup, and I don't really like it. Honestly, it's super sticky, and I used as much as I could out of there, but I did not like how my makeup worked with it. It was hard to work with. And so this is what this is looking like now. And so you can see I've kind of started wearing away the rose a little bit. And it is really good. I only put this on one time during the day, and it helps my makeup stay all day. It's really nice. It doesn't have much of a scent. Well, I don't think it does. I don't smell it anymore anyway. Oh, it does, but I must be so used to it. So it's just a really faint, clean smell. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you my bronzer I'm using. So I'm using this from Physicians Formula. I've been using this for at least a couple months. But this is the Butter Bronzer Contour Palette. So that's what it looks like. And I'm super close, and it's really messy right now. So gotta be careful. So this is what it's looking like right now. Oh, yeah, see, I have some loose powder in here. So I'm thinking within this month, I'm going to use that up, if not next time I do my makeup. So then I might try this for a setting powder and then start using this as a bronzer, just so I can get this out of my collection faster. It's really nice though. I'm not really in a hurry, but I have a lot of bronzer. So yeah, that'll be good for a setting powder. So I think I'm going to do that and use this palette up. I think that's how I'll use it up sooner. So, and then I am using this here. This is the Benefit Browsings Pro Palette. And I'll just go ahead and show you. So I just hit pan not too long ago on this right here. And it's a really good powder for brows. And when I'm using this here. This is the Imiti Eyebrow Pro Wax. So I got this from Amazon a while ago. I have so much in here. But I just put this on my eyebrows before I put my powder on from my Benefit. That is right here I showed you, and it lasts all day. I will say I do wait a little bit when I put this on because it is a wet formula, but it works really nicely. And for my blush, I'm using this here, and I'm so excited, guys. If you've been following me, you know how much I've been wanting to hit pan in. Well, I just want to use this up, honestly. It's just one of my older powder collections. This is the Estee Lauder. It's the Real Cheeky Pure Color Envy Blush and Contour Kit. And I finally have hit pan in the blush. Can you admit? I'm so excited about this. And part of me just wants to scrape it all out and get it up used faster. But honestly, this is kind of dark on me. So it would look crazy if I did that. And I don't think this is going to be used up by the end of March. I'm almost guaranteeing it won't be because This has taken so long to get where it's at right now. So I'm sure this is going to be something that I'm going to pull in for my next project pan. So I'm positive actually that that's going to happen. So I'm using this for my eyeshadows. I changed my mind honestly. Said I was going to use this for my eyeshadow, but I actually went ahead and grabbed this. It's a huge palette, as you can see, and I just want to get use out of this. They're really nice. This is from e.l.f. And so I have hit pan here, and I've hit some pans over here, if I can go closer to you. So those are the pans that I've hit so far, and this is going to be a long time coming, but I really want to use this palette up, and honestly, it's broken, so that's another reason I want to use it up. I'm trying to get all my broken palettes. They're great palettes, but the packaging just fell apart. I'm trying to use them up. And I'm using it with this. This is the Revlon Makeup Revolution Ultra Strobe Balm Palette. So I actually have this on. I don't know if I can go so you can see it at all with my glass. I'm not sure. But I am using this color right here with those powders. And it looks really, really nice. I'll go ahead and show you. So I just mix this with the powder, any powder that I'm using, and it looks really nice. It has a really pretty purple finish, I think, when it's all said and done. It's really, really pretty. And then I go ahead and set my face with this. This is the Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. And I've been using this for a while. I'm not sure if this is going to be used up next month or not, but I have a lot used up and it won't be too long. I do use this almost daily. Here's my mascara that I'm using right now. This is the Benefit They're Real Magnet. I really enjoy this mascara, and I do kind of put a lot on just because I try to get it so it's really lengthened. I like it quite a bit, and I don't know, I just really like it. I think it works really well. I'm trying to use this up. This is the Ico Fat London. Last month I said that this might have been irritating my eyes, but honestly it hasn't been. So I'm still using this. I put it, right now I have it on the top of my eyelid and the bottom. And it's just really nice. It's easy to work with. As you can see, you can go light-handed or dark, however. But it's really nice. I'm not sure how long it's going to be before this dries out. It's nice. And I've been using this here from Lancome. This is the Booster. So it's like a mascara or eyelash primer. So I'll go ahead and show you. I'm honestly thinking this is going to be done this month. So I am going to get rid of this after, 3 days? That's what's left of this month. So it's nice. It's just starting to dry out, and I'm trying to really get the last use out of it before it's gone. Okay, so here is what I plan on bringing in. It's not as exciting as the empties, so I'm leaving the empties for the end. I think that's just how I should leave it, because to me, I'm so excited to use up what I have. Anytime I use up makeup, I'm so excited. So this is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Ceramide Boost Fixing Spray. So I will be bringing this one in when the one I'm using right now is used up. I don't know much about this one, as I said last month, because I've never used it. It's new to me. But I will be bringing this in really soon. This is a concealer from the brand Eco Fabulous. So this is what it looks like. I got this from Marshall's a while ago, and this is the color. I think it's going to be really nice on me. I think it's going to be actually better than the one I have right now, honestly. So this will be coming in, I'm thinking maybe 2 weeks, maybe sooner than that, not quite sure. And my eyeshadow primer is almost used up. And I have this here from Alani, another one I grabbed from either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. But so this is what it looks like, still in the packaging. I can't remember if I used it or not. I know it's had some really good reviews, so that's what I will be bringing in. And I have another one of these. This is another Lancome eyelash primer. So I have just a few of these left, but I mean, I had a few sets, so this is another part of those sets. So I think I have like 4 left, but honestly, these only make it like a month. They're very tiny, and I really push it to get used for a month. And I'm going to be bringing in another mascara, same one that I have now, because I really like it. This was another one. It was a Christmas value set that was like buy 2, or was it 2 or 3 that came in the set? I can't remember, so I'm going to be bringing this in. And I'm going to be using this other powder here, like I said, when my powder I'm using right now is used up. But I don't see that happening anytime soon, but when that one does get used up, Not sure how long this one will take to use up, but that powder's used up. I'm going to bring this in. This is the Unicat Loose Setting and Matte Finish Mineral Powder. Super adorable. I don't know anything about this company or anything. Another one that I picked up from Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I just love finding deals when I can there. So that will be what I'll be bringing in. And so now I'll go ahead and tell you what I have used up, which is to me the most exciting part of this video. Okay, so I used this up. This is from Nudestix, and I kind of hinted at this in the beginning of the video, but yep, I used this Tinted Cover Foundation from Nudestix. I really enjoy these, honestly. It feels so clean when I put it on my skin, and it does have a skin serum in it, and I don't remember what exactly it does. It says builds, covers, moisturizes, treats to protect the skin. So, but it feels really nice when you put it on your skin, almost like it's helping your skin in a way. Moisturizing for sure. It just has a slight tingle. It feels really nice, not terrible or anything like that. Just feels like it's helping my skin. So, and I also used this up. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I've had this for quite a while, and I scraped this into another packaging, and it's completely gone now, as you can see. I'll go closer there. It's really dark still. Well, I promise, it is completely scraped out, completely gone, and after being in my empties bag, it's gotten very dirty. I used this up here. This is the Pacifica Cherry Velvet Matte Translucent Setting Powder. And this was nice. It smelled really good. I think this was like the third one that I have used up. But it's really nice. It smells really good, like I said. And I would almost consider buying this again, but I have a lot that I need to go through. I used this up, and I've had this for so long. I can't even remember when I bought this. This is the Benefit Browsings Pro Palette, and this one is in the shade Medium Deep. So I am using another one right now, and I'm going to use that one up, but I don't know when it's going to be used up. But this, look, I scraped absolutely everything I could out of this. I did try to use this as an eyeliner because it's too dark for my eyebrows, but it didn't work. It just transferred everywhere. It was awful. And I used up as much as I could. This was starting to irritate my eyes, so I'm going to call it. But I've been using this for so long, and I can't tell you how happy I am to have used this up. And then I have used this up finally. This is the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics I had gotten from a BoxyCharm so many years ago. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a book. And these colors, they were not all my favorites. But I did the best I could, and there is one in here that was just way too orange. I tried, I can't get it to look good on my eyes, but I'll go farther back. All gone. It's completely used up, except for that peachy orange that looks terrible on my eyelid. It just does not look good, and it just makes my eyes look really dry. I don't know if it's the formula or what, but anyway, finally gone. And some of these I did scrape out and put the eyeshadows together just to use them up faster and to make them more like colors I would enjoy using. But gone. So excited, and I'm so excited to move on, which I already showed you what I'm using, so that'll be another one. That the e.l.f. one will be a long one that will take forever to use up as well, but I can't even tell you how long I've had this, and that's like a lot of my palettes in my collection. When they're gone and used up, it's just so exciting to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and if you are a project panner, I hope you are doing well. Again, if you are new, I'm going to repeat it one more time. I'm so excited for the end to be is so near, and so I have so much to show you next month. I hope you will subscribe, hit a like if you like this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day, everyone.